In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 websites that can help you make a lot of money in this year 2022. 5 good websites that can make you extreme income in this year 2022, and we're going to get to the video right after this. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. You're most welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber or you're a returning subscriber, you are most welcome. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. That helps us to grow the channel. So let's get direct to the video. So the first website we're going to talk about is the one you're already seeing on the screen. It's called the Amazon Mechanical Turk. Okay, so let's get to the website. So in this website here is you're going to put a review about a product. It's related to Amazon. As you can see here, it's written Amazon, so it's related to Amazon. You're going to review products, write something about the product, and then you get paid. So there are many things, there are many products there that you just have to review and make a lot of money. Okay, let's start with the we can start in as a sign in as a requester, or we can get started here. So let's get started from here. Okay, so in this one here you can start from creating task, or you can make money. Our main thing, we're mainly here because we want to make money. So we have to get here. We request a worker account. Okay, we get here. So because I have my own account already, I have my own account signed in already, I don't need to go through the process of signing up. But you have to sign up. You have to create Amazon account first, and then you log in using Amazon account. As simple as that. So here you can see here there are people here giving requests. They're giving you work here. You just need to accept and then preview. Okay, so some of them are closed. They can open it at any time. They open it, you just have to sign up, just like this. Let's get to this one here. See here, setup. Mine is not yet finished, so I didn't finish the setup. You just sign up. So you wait for an email message. As easy as that. And then you qualify to do the review. Okay, you can see here you can earn this just within a short time. You have finished the review, so you earn this. You can earn this $1. You can earn this cent. You can earn this, all this. Okay, as simple as that. So that is for this website here, this first website, which is about Amazon Mechanical Turk. So let's get to the second website. That is Fiverr.com. This website here is where you're going to make use of your talent. Anything that you are good at, you come here, you come and share, you sell your talent. Here, you come and sell your talent. You sign up. All you need to do is to sign up. You sign up into the account. Signing up is free. You just sign up into the account and then advertise your talent. Like those people here, you can see, I will do this, I will do that, I will do this. Just this one's here, and then you put the price. You can, if your talent is related to somebody, or your talent is same like somebody who is already in this platform, just copy the way the person is doing, and then you make your money. Just like that, as easy as that. You just make your money. You see here, people can make this. How many people came here to ask for a job to be done for them, so they get this kind of amount. Many people come over to the website to make to get their work done. Okay, so you can get a lot of money here. So another thing here is when you sign up, you can refer a friend and then you get up to this amount here. You can see you can make a lot of money by just inviting somebody. Just inviting somebody, you make a lot of money. You can make up to this amount. You see, that is it. So let's get direct to the other website, which is the third website. It's called the Zitron, or you can call it virtual assistant. Okay, so this one, in this website here, you are paid to help those who are busy. Those who are busy to do certain things, they will pay you to be helping them doing other things for them. Okay, so it's as easy as that. So what you have to do is just sign up. You sign up in this website, sign up, and then you can see here you can also earn money through referrals. See, you can earn up to 400 USD just for referring a friend. You refer a friend, you refer people, you earn up to this amount. See, easy money, very easy money. Yeah, copy the referral link and share in your media, your social media, and then when they get to this website, they sign up. That's all. You make your money. Okay, it's as easy as that one. So let's navigate this website here. You can see here what you have to do. You can see here somebody can just employ you to do a market research, and then you earn money. Somebody can help you, employ you to just do a social media something. You control the social media, and then you make money. Somebody can just employ you to do this scheduling, all this. You just make money, as simple as that. So let's get to the next one, which is the fourth website where you can make money just at the comfort of your house. Okay, is this one here, Upwork. Upwork works the same as this Fiverr. It works the same. So what you have to do here is share your talent. You have to share your talent, and then you get paid. As easy as that. You see, find talent. Find talent is for those who need workers, somebody who they need to help them do certain things. So they find your talent, they buy your talent. So for us who need to make money, we get to this one here. We need to find work. So here you just get to this and then sign up. As easy as that. You sign up. After signing up, you start making your money. You have to just share your talent, and then they buy you, and you make the cash. As easy as that. So the last website that people make a lot of money nowadays, which is the fifth website, is YouTube. This YouTube here, see, as easy as that, many people are doing YouTube nowadays. They make YouTube and they make money. Okay, people make a lot of money, but for YouTube you need some few requirements. It's easy just to make your video what you really like to do, and then you share on YouTube. But you just have to meet the requirement of the YouTube before you start earning of 4,000 watch hour and then 1,000 subscribers. As easy as that. You get those, and then you start earning money per any view you make. Like per 1,000 view you make money. Okay, it's as easy as that. That is the simplest way people make money now in 2022. Very easy. So thank you very much for your time. I've come to the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe so that I can make more content about how you can make money in 2022. Okay, so goodbye for now. See you next time.